Trintellix may start to untangle or help improve the multiple symptoms of depression.
For me, Trintellix made a difference.
Tell your healthcare professional right away if your depression worsens or you have unusual changes in mood, behavior, or thoughts of suicide. And
a primary entry point system has issued a national periodic test for all of the United States beginning at 2:20 p.m. and ending at 2:50 p.m. This is a national test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. Broadcast and cable operators in your area have developed this system in voluntary cooperation with FEMA, the FCC, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tones. This concludes this national test of the emergency alert system.
But not everybody's happy about it, including 3 underage strippers who are now suing for their right to strip.